The 2004 Volvo XC90. Powered by a turbo 2.9-liter six-cylinder engine. With an automatic transmission, this all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle gets up to 20 miles per gallon. This Volvo features alloy wheels, all-wheel drive, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include parking sensors, leather seats, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.